Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To make a call from WhatsApp, the first thing we do is click on a contacts chat. Then, we can click on the phone button. Here, the call is already being made, we must wait for the person to answer. In this button we can activate the speakerphone. On the left button we can deactivate the sound so that they do not hear us. To end the call, we click on the red button. Also, we can click on this video camera. This way we can make a video call. In this button we can change the front and back camera. Also on the left button we have the mute. Let's end the video call with the red button. Now, what happens when you call me? This option will appear at the top. Ricardo Reyes is calling me. To accept the call we click on answer. We can also reject it by clicking on decline. There, we are already in the call. We can add more people. We click on the button located at the top. Here, we just have to click on a contact and then click on Add. In my case I'm going to cancel and come back. WhatsApp allows you to connect in a video call or normal call with up to 8 people. I will end the call. There, that's it. Finally, we see here that we can click on the Calls tab. In this section we can find the record of the calls we have made and also the missed calls as well. Here we can also ring a number by clicking on the phone button easily. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.